The cases of dengue in the country is rising amid the rainy season. Over 136,000 cases of dengue was recorded until August 3. This is higher compared to 102,000 cases logged during the same period last year. The number of deaths due to dengue is 364, which is lower than last year's 401. The health department continues to remind everyone to be careful against dengue and seek immediate medical help if one experiences the symptoms of the illness.
Alam natin na sa panahon na ito ng tag-ulan na marami pong tubig, maraming naiipon at dyan napupunta ang ating lamok. Mahalaga yung maagang pagkonsulta at testing para pag alam natin na dengue to, mabibigyan tayo ng karampatang lunas.
Although technically wala talagang gamot sa dengue, but kung naagapan mo kasi, ang ginagawa lang naman hospitals, wero para ma-hydrate ka. Kasi ang ugali ng dengue is pinapalapot yung blood mo. So pag naka-hydrate ka...
Pero di ba they develop dengue vaccine?
Yeah, but it doesn't cover kasi all variants of dengue. May specific lang, di ba ilan ba ang dengue?
Mga
5.
strain.
Oh, 5. At least this one covers at least 3 or 4 only. Pero ang important lang sa dengue is the moment you have the symptoms, and you go to the hospital, i-hydrate ka through IV. And then you will recover on your own. Basta maagapan mo, walang problema yan. Ako nga, I had dengue 4 times. Oo,
Boy ka pa, kaya pala ganyan, Jar.
Punta ka sa
Joke
Philippine Children's Hospital. Alam nila nandun ako kasi at that time, one of the few na nagkaroon ng 4 na dengue ako.
Wow.
Kaya I remember yung huling balik ko, ikaw na naman, sabi sa akin.
Buti na agapan kasi yung nga medyo mataas-taas din yung number of cases, death
I am blessed that my mom was praning. So nung 2 days pa lang ako may lagnat, kahit walang confirmation sila ng doktor ko, pinaano na kaagad ako. Tapos na confirm on the 6th day, may dengue pala.
That's why naunahan.